Very interesting. So you basically started from construction worker to mountain cabin, and then you decided to jump into programming. I guess you had a bit bad experience with C because maybe it's a bit hardcore to begin with in your university, right? And the change from a C to PHP to something more tangible. C, you write programs, but with PHP you create websites and stuff. I think it's a bit more exciting for me at least, and you remind me a bit my journey because I also started as a web developer, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. We learned in school Java, but actually learned myself PHP not through books, but not through forums. Through forums in the internet, I created websites, and it was much easier for me to create websites with PHP rather than Java or other technologies. So you remind me a bit my starting point. It's very cool. And then you said that you got into Bitcoins and started exploring like Lightning Network. Did you also invest in Bitcoin or did some mining, or are you just more interested about the technology and the programming?
So I first got really interested in. I heard about Bitcoin when I started programming in PHP. It was on the news, but I wasn't really interested in it. First time I got interested in it was when I heard a video on YouTube talk by Andreas Antonopoulos, and he really got excited. He got me
Oh,
excited about Bitcoin.
man,
Uh,
we're the same. I also watched him so much. Sorry for
oh
interrupting,
yeah,
but I mean, we had the same
yeah,
journey. I love this guy. He has such good
yeah,
speaks. Wow. Okay, go ahead.
yeah. Bought his book, read his book, got more interested in Bitcoin. And at that time, I think I was around 28 or 29, and I wanted to go do a working holiday in Australia and try to get a programming job eventually. So I had some savings. I said, why not just, instead of doing a bank transfer to Australia, why not just buy Bitcoin and then take it with me? So that's when I
Genius.
first bought Bitcoin and then just took it with me. Yeah. Uh, yeah. And so that was the first time I bought Bitcoin.
Wow, very interesting. Very like you already found a use case back then when it was just the beginning. And how you were sure that this Bitcoin will be respected in Australia? Did you research some like exchanges or like people that will be able to give you cash for this Bitcoin?
Well, I just took it as an emergency fund. So it was like, in case something goes wrong, I will sell my Bitcoin and then get some cash back. I didn't do much research, but if there's a crypto exchange in Japan, well, there was a crypto exchange in
There should
Japan,
be
so I
one.
figured there's some way to get cash from Bitcoin.
Yeah, makes sense. So in every country actually where I go, there is somewhere exchange, Telegram group. There are always people that are interesting to do like peer-to-peer deals with crypto.
Hmm.
And there are also official exchanges that, they have a license and you can go buy or sell crypto to cash, which is cool. Interesting.